y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti. If this is your first time here, if it's not your first time here, welcome back. And y'all, I'm just filming my intro to this video because I figure if I film the intro, then I'll be more committed to actually making a video to actually clean out this closet like I need to do. So it's the night before. I'm gonna do everything tomorrow. So I've been putting off this closet like the whole time that I've been in this apartment, which is since April. And I'm just about to get it all done in one day. And if I can get it done like in an hour or two, that would be even better. So if y'all want to see me get this closet together, then just keep watching. Okay, so I just want to give y'all a quick little before because it's literally stuff everywhere. I kind of already started organizing, so stuff that I need to put on hangers is right here. And then I'm still sorting through stuff that's over here so I can like make a little donation pile, which I kind of already started. So after I get everything else on hangers, I'm gonna go in and kind of like organize it, and then I'll be able to go get the rest of my shoes from my granny house, and I'm gonna just get it looking like something, because I really feel like I've been using not having my dresser put together as an excuse. When I was looking through this the other day, I was like, most of this stuff needs to go on hangers anyways. So I'm just start there, and then yeah, I'll just show y'all like the process, and then whatever I decide to do next, I'll just keep y'all in the loop.
Oh no, no, I know you think it ain't my place to say how I feel, but I'm gonna say it anyway, cause I gotta keep it real. I know you're tired of trying to make it be something that's truly not. Girl, it kills me every day to see you in tears, and it amazes me the way you put up all these years. You be tweaking, trying to make it
now that I mostly got everything separated, I just got these basic black hangers from Target, so I'm just about to go in and put everything on hangers and get everything hung up. And then before I put this stuff up there, I'm gonna kind of go through and take out whatever I'm getting rid of that's on hangers also.
Baby, listen to me. You don't have to wait. I can ease you. I can ease you. You don't have to be left out in the rain. Don't just say you're better. Tired of love, you need. I got it, come with me. You don't have to stay up waiting by the phone. You don't have to ever feel like you belong. Just say you're better. Tired of love, whatever you need. I got it, come with me. Oh, you're the type that always said you don't need a man who's gonna make your heart stop over and again.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrated. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spent cash for entertainment. That's more where it came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements.
Y'all, quick little update on how everything is coming along so far. I think I'm making progress pretty quickly because it's only been about 20 minutes, but I just took a quick little break. But I went ahead and took out the rest of the pants that I saw that need to be hung up, and this is just everything that I missed the first time around. So all my like remainder of jeans, dress pants, slacks. So yeah, I'm about to hang those up and then keep moving right on along. Okay, y'all, all done with hanging up everything that was on the floor. So now all the shoes and all the miscellaneous stuff that was underneath the clothes that were piled up on the floor are out here now. So I'm about to go through those, organize those, and then over here I just have like stuff that don't go in here, like that belongs to Micah and Jace. And y'all, this is a shame. I was supposed to gift Micah these shoes for Christmas. Forgot they was in here because they was up under all my junk. So, and then my giveaway pile is looking like this. Everything that didn't get hung up, I put in this tote. So there's going to be the very last thing that I do is go through that, finish picking out what's going away, and then I'll probably just bag everything up and drop it off to Goodwill.
Make it so complicated. Off the drain, we concentrated. Why you make it so complicated?
Okay, y'all, so here's how we're looking so far. This is gonna be my stopping point for right now because I have some laundry that I'm waiting on. So in the meantime, I'm gonna just bag out the clothes that I already know that I'm giving away, and then I'm wait till I have all the clothes together to go through here. That way I only have to do that once. And plus it's still pretty early in the day, and I only had time to do this right now because Micah and Jace are taking a nap. He spit up on me, so ignore that. But yeah, so I don't want to spend like the whole time that they're napping doing this. So I'm gonna take a few minutes to just chill out, probably grab me a little snacky snack, and then I'll get back to this later on. Okay, y'all, so my break is over. Well, it's been over. It's like later in the day. It's nighttime. Like Micah's gone to bed, Jace is gone to bed, so it's way later in the day. But I'm gonna catch y'all up to what I've done like in the last 30 minutes, and then what I have left to do. So I went ahead and dumped all the clothes out of the tote, and what's in here is what I'm keeping. And believe it or not, more than half of that is just bras and underwear. I have to go through my socks, throw out what doesn't have mates, and match up the ones that do. And then this is my giving away pile. This is stuff that I'm still like undecided on, but I might just like briefly go through and show y'all what I'm getting rid of and why. I'm not really sure that it matters, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just finished bagging up my clothes that I'm donating or giving away. I was gonna take them to Goodwill, but then I thought about it. I'm not giving them my stuff for free for them to turn around and sell it. So I'm gonna put it in the actual donation box, because most of the times they have like the little things on it that tell you where they're taking the clothes to. So just finished bagging this up, and then I put out a few pieces that I'm actually keep because I forgot I just got this new job. And some of the pieces that I set out are like really easy and cute for me to wear, like business casual. So I took those out, and I really think I'm done for now. I'm gonna just leave the clothes that's in the tote because I still have not put the drawers together for my dresser. So I guess I'll like follow up with y'all once I do that. That way I can show y'all like how I'm gonna organize the stuff in my dresser. But yeah, for now I'm gonna just go show y'all what the closet is looking like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and close everything out. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with my closet for the day. So the floor is all cleaned off. I just stuck the tote back in the corner. That way, like, I could still like have easy access to it, but it's just like not in the way. And then over here, this is like where my soft boxes are in this bag here, and then just one of my luggages. They used to be my spending the night bag, but I got my own place, so no need for that anymore. But yeah, so I just have like everything like pushed off up against the wall so that it's like not taking up any excess space. And then in this tote over here is like the rest of my filming equipment, like my camera, everything else that goes with it. Look, y'all, this is how you know I was up here working hard. I had some water in here. But then just on this wall, I just have baby stuff, of course, up there also. Oh yeah, and aside from the baby stuff, this is my dirty clothes hamper, and then my scale, which I rarely ever use, but yeah, that's there. So how I have it kind of organized for now, this is just for now. I'll probably go in and like do it a little bit, because I kind of want everything to be like on the same hanger, because I feel like that would give it like just a little step up for an aesthetic. So yeah, so like over here is like all jackets and like layer wear. So this jacket, I have some cardigans right here, and then just some of my coats, my Letterman jacket, sweatshirt, hoodies, those other hoodies, then like my little velour tracksuits, more jackets, and then I have some shirts. This is literally all the shirts that I have hung up, so I need to hang up more or get more shirts. But some of these are bodysuits, but only like one or two. So yeah, this is mostly shirts. I have this one pair of random shorts, pants, jeans, they're kind of mixed in together. And then right here I kind of have like dresses and jumpsuits, and then my blazers are right here. And then in the garment bag I have one of my suits, and then just two little random bathrobes. Well, I don't know if those should be called bathrobes. And then two little random robes. So yeah, and then I just have my purses hung up like that until I find like a designated spot for them. And then I just have my shoes kind of organized like that for now, like I said, until I get the rest of them from my granny's house. But that is all that I got done for today. So it feels like it took forever to me to get in that closet and do anything. So I actually feel like pretty accomplished because I was using me not having a dresser as an excuse for the longest, just for my closet to look any kind of way. But like I said, the next part of this will probably be me getting my dresser put together finally. I mean, like the foundation for it is put together, but the drawers are not. So once I get that done, I will show y'all like how I organize my dresser. I'll probably throw out more stuff then. I don't know. It's just like, you never really know if you're going to wear something, but some stuff I know for a fact that I'm not going to. So if there's anything that I find that I'm just like, it's not worth trying to like find extra space for, then I'm gonna just throw it out. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see y'all in my next video or vlog. I don't really know like of any sit down videos that I want to do right now. So if y'all have any suggestions, my inbox is always open, or just put something down in the comments below and I will get it out for y'all. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll see y'all next time.